Do you want more screen space while writing note on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Samsung Note lets you automatically hide the navigation bar while handwriting, giving you a cleaner and less distracting writing experience. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Note app. Tap the menu icon in the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Tap Advanced. Under the interface section, find hide navigation bar while handwriting. Now, turn the feature on or off. For this example, let's enable it. Next, let's see how this feature works. Create a new note and switch to handwriting mode. As you can see, the navigation bar disappears automatically, giving you more room to write. If you need to access the navigation bar, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and the navigation bar will appear temporarily. After a while, it will hide itself again, allowing you to continue writing without distraction. However, if you prefer to keep the navigation bar visible at all times, simply return to the setting and turn the feature off. And that's how you hide the navigation bar while handwriting in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.